Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know, my name is Autumn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All the information will be below. Today I will be doing a brow tutorial. As you can see, I barely have eyebrows. This is the most that I'll get. To me, they are very thin, so I like to fill them in. So I use one of these to blend, like the blender. I use Revlon Color Stay. I use one of these little brushes to shape my eyebrows. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is Cool Tan. I use the Anastasia brow dip brush and Anastasia the pomade, brow dip pomade. All right, so I just brush it, do a little brushing. Brush, brush, brush. Do gotta clean this. This looks like pretty nasty. So I just dip it in here and grab a little bit, a little something. And I just fill it in, literally. Doing it a little too fast. I do have a mirror right here, so I'll be looking at that periodically, literally. I know you see it. This, don't worry about that. That'll be going like real soon. All right. We'll just brush it out. Probably add a little bit more to it, but let me fill this side in. See, it looks a little patchy right there. See how it looks a little full? Kind of looks like I'm painting them on, but like, you'll see. Remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Whoa. All right. I think I'm pretty done with this. I don't like them too dark. So then I just put a little bit of this. This is my concealer. And when I say this, it's the Revlon Color Stay. And then I use, like, for a natural look, I use the Pro Conceal. A little bit of this. Because I gotta get some more. Okay, that came out weird. I think because Aubrey was messing with it. Wrong brush. Whoa, this brush. So I just mix it a little bit, like mix it. So I normally start in the middle. I'm not sure why. I'm like staring, like, you ever like stare at something so hard your eyes start to water? That's what's happening, like right about now. Don't even know what I was staring at so hard. Y'all see the shape? Cause I see it. I have a tendency of like pushing down when I get to the top. I'm working on it. Shh, I just did it. Just did what I said. I'm working on, like right there. Always do it. I probably shouldn't have never spoken it into existence, but I did. That's why I messed up. But it's alright, whatever. It's what it is. I can't say. You see? Alright. I know you see it, because I see it. Just do the same to the other side. Okay. They look actually pretty good. I would say so myself. You see that? Besides, like, I don't like right there. Like that, I messed it up. Like, messed it up. All right, you see how like it looks lighter? Like it looks pretty light. All right, so then you take this. I do tap it, but like I wipe it first and then I tap. Tendency, not sure why. And that is how I achieve my like natural brows. Do this every day of the week. Oh. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tune in to the next video.